Hey you, yeah you, I know you clicked on this video because you have $1,000 in your pocket and you aren't sure what parts you want for your new gaming PC. Well, today's your lucky day. Okay, and obvious, let's get to it. First, you'll need a CPU, and what better than the best value gaming processor right now? Of course, it's a Ryzen 5 3600. 6-core multi-threaded beast, Zen 2 architecture, you get a cooler, and of course, its price of just $175. Second, you'll need a GPU or graphics card. For those who don't know what GPU is, oops. I was a little bit decisive here, but it all came down to the best value mid-range GPU today, and that is GeForce 1660 Super from Nvidia. This big boy, you'll get a smooth high frame rate on mid to high on any game at 1080p. And well, it's not expensive either, costing only $220, wiping out any competition at this price range. Today in 2020, everything uses high amounts of RAM. Yeah, Chrome, I'm looking at you. But that won't be a problem to you. Heck, you have $1,000, and with that you will secure yourself with a pair of two 8GB sticks of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR 3000 MHz RAM. Oh boy, that was confusing and hard to say, right? But price isn't confusing. It's just $77, cheap if you ask me. Then you'll need a lot of storage for your games and study material. Hard disks are cheap but so slow. So 1TB of Intel 660p NVMe SSD will be just right for you. You are probably guessing that this will need a lot of power, so I'll need to buy $200 1000-watt power supply, right? Wrong. For just $52 you'll get a nice 550-watt power supply from Corsair. And well, your system won't be even close to that. If you want to upgrade in the future, it will make sure your PC won't explode. We need to connect everything up, and that's where your new motherboard comes in. MSI Tomahawk Max, the most popular motherboard today, and it wouldn't be without its many great features, including appealing $115 price tag. But Mr. TechHut, where's the case? I have to put all this somewhere, right? Wrong. Well, right. And for that you'll want a Faintex Eclipse P400S. Great case, it's white, has a great airflow, and the most important thing, it has RGB. Plus it costs only $80. But wait, this full build costs $860, so what will I do with my remaining $140? Great question. For you, only for you, I added a bonus. On that $140, just add 5 and you'll have a wonderful 1080p 24-inch 144 FPS VA curved gaming monitor that will serve you well, especially with that 1660 Super GPU from before. Now you have an amazing performing and looking, oh boy that RGB, machine which can get you high FPS at most games, smooth editing experience, and a good price for your wallet. And that will wrap up this video. Tell me in the comments if you need any suggestion or answer to your question. Rhymes, baby. Also sub and like if you found this video somewhat helpful, and as always, thank you for being a part of the tech universe.